On today's episode of This House is Chaos because it's after Christmas and we're surviving on fumes. I have some ground sausage meat, really, that my husband made because he hunts. You could use ground meat, you could use ground turkey, but we're doing tater tot casserole because it's what we have. Wash your hands. No, don't touch. Go wash your hands.
No.
Yes.
No.
Don't tell me no. Wash your hands. Oh look, you got one.
Are you okay? What happened? Did you snatch her off that?
She said help me. Holding on to the edge of the thing, and I pulled her shoe off. Hey, get away from that. I pulled her.
Back up.
Can I mash?
You did not.
Run the fever. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, so you want to kind of flip it, Joy. Don't pull my hand away. You need to wait because this is hot. So can I show you how to do it?
Mash, mash, mash. Look. Uh-oh. Mom, meat got out.
Okay. Well, all right. Well, it's cooking. You're going to preheat your oven to whatever the tater tot bag says. 425. So that's what we're going with. Your meat's starting to brown. You're going to do a can of cream of mushroom. And a little, oops. We're going to do a little milk in the can.
Man,
Oh, wow.
you're close.
And then now, since you poured the milk in, we're going to mix.
We're doing mixed vegetables
Mix
of your choosing.
Well, we're just
Want me
doing
to help
whatever
you?
we have.
Me? Who, little old me?
About that much.
No salt
Oh,
seasoning.
can I do?
Yeah.
Can I do? Put
Chicken
in.
from
We're
Dixie.
just going to do this.
Paper towels.
But you can put whatever
What else do
sounds
you
good
need?
to you. We're just going to put in this. Is that good? Or should I add more?
How does it look to you?
I think it looks
Just one more. Oh,
perfect.
perfect.
Oh man.
A little garlic powder.
Oh.
I'll do this one. It
Why?
comes out fast.
We're just gonna keep mixing until my mommy says we're gonna stop mixing. Do whatever.
Are we doing the day after tomorrow?
No, we don't.
You know, Robert, just worry about today. Enjoy the moment. We're gonna flatten everything and turn your heat off.
Just a little bit.
A layer of cheese.
I guess I will.
Let's just finish the bag. It won't hurt.
It will.
Make sure it covers everything.
It's really hot. Don't waste a whole bag of cheese. Don't need cheese. Don't be crazy. Don't be a crazy lady like my mom.
Take your tater tots. Today we're using crispy crowns, but regular tater tots will do just fine too. And you just lay them flat all over. You know what? Throw some of that. This pan is oven safe, so we're gonna stick it in the oven as is. But in the past, we've also like cooked the meat separate and then put it into like a casserole dish too. Up to you. Try to lay them nice. That way every bite has some tater tots. You know what I mean? Once it's evenly covered with tater tots, pop it into the oven till the tater tots are done. So probably like 30 minutes.
Hey! No!
Here we go. It's in the oven.
No,
Yay!
we don't. No, we don't. No, we
Careful, the
don't.
stove's hot. Stove's hot.
No, we don't.
Stop.
No, we don't.
She's ready.
Can we, Mom, later, can we,
Cleaned his high chair. Cleaned his plate. And she had 2 helpings.